Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to fix YouTube is not available in this region on Android app. Firstly, try restarting your device. Press the side button and volume app button simultaneously, then tap restart. Sometimes a simple restart fixes the problem. Secondly, check your internet connection. Open the apps or a web browser and try loading websites to confirm the internet is working, and if other apps fail to connect, troubleshoot your internet connection. Thirdly, try clearing YouTube cache and data. Open the Settings app on your Android device, then go to Apps or Apps and Notifications. Find and tap YouTube under See All Apps and tap Storage and Cache. Now select Clear Cache to remove temporary files. Optionally tap Clear Storage for a fresh start. This logs you out on the app. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.